Hi, I'm Nick Cook. I'm a production turner from Marietta, Georgia, and I'm going to make a honey dipper starting with a piece of hard maple about 1.1/8 square by 8 inches long. I've got a mini spur drive center. I'm going to check it up. I'm going to crank it up to 3,200 RPMs. Use a 3/4 inch roughing gouge. Get the whole piece round. I'm going to come back with a 1/16 inch fluted parting tool, and that creates two little knife edges that make a really clean cut. I'm going to do 5 grooves. About 1/8 of an inch apart. Then we're going to come back with the roughing gouge and give that a little shape. We're just going to make this sort of conical form. Detail the end of it and get rid of some waste. Come back with the roughing gouge. Always cutting downhill from large diameter to small diameter. And just to clean it up a little bit, we're going to use a skew. My finish for this would be mineral oil and beeswax or wood butter, which is a combination of the two. And I'm just going to pare it down until I don't have anything left. And that's a honey dipper.